Hello everyone! I'm with my friend Ryan.
Hey, Mari's vlog.
He's like a real videographer. He's good. If you don't know his channel, you should check it out.
It's called The Path Less Traveled. Just lots of travel videos about New Zealand and the rest of the world. Yeah, kind of like what Mari does, but a bit different. Yeah,
pretty cool. He's from Canada, but is living in Christchurch, so we can be expats together. Today we're on a walk out near Lake Coleridge in Canterbury, and we're going up. It's called Peak Hill, and it's a walk that I've wanted to do for a while. So I'm pretty excited. It's supposed to have some nice views, and hopefully we're gonna get a good sunset. Fingers crossed. But yeah, a little adventure. The views are already really epic. Also because it's just like uphill the whole way. I guess that's typically what happens when you walk up a mountain, or a hill. Let's ask Ryan a question. If you had one top tip for anyone trying to be better at videography, what's your top tip?
my top tip, if you want to be better at video, is to take more video. Stop doing research on lenses, stop doing research on color grading, and just go out there and just make stuff all the time.
Good tip. My top tip would be something that I'm really bad at, and that's have good audio. Actually, I was filming that and I was like, ooh, it's windy. We probably can't hear anything that he's saying. But he's prepared. Oh look, you can't tell, but that's a microphone because he's shooting a video that's gonna be on his channel. So you're gonna have to check that one out. Audio makes a really big difference, so don't be like me, have good audio. There's the van. Hey. Beautiful views from there, and we're not at the top yet, so I'm looking forward to the top.
I love it up here. Such an underrated spot.
People always asking me, why did I come to New Zealand? Why did you come to New Zealand?
I originally came to do my PhD, which I'm still doing. It's in biomedical engineering, but then I picked up a camera one day, and yeah, the rest is history.
There you go. You could be anyone and start filming. Like you said, just start doing it. Snow. If you go for a hike, bring extra layers. Hat, gloves, windbreaker. All the stuff. Temperature changes a lot. Vlogger tip, always carry extra batteries for your camera.
Yes, even if you have 10.
Yes, and extra SD cards. Good to have. The behind the scenes.
BTS.
BTS. It's the cool folks say. Made it to the top. Look at these views. Every direction. got all the shots we need for Ryan's film. So yeah, I think he got some really epic stuff. It's pretty cold, it's getting dark, so I think we'll be heading down pretty soon. Got our trusty head torches. How do you feel about this?
Good. Cold but good. Totally worth the cold though.
Yeah.
One of the best views within like close proximity to Christchurch.
We're almost back and we're in the sheep paddock and they just started trying to run towards us. I got so afraid. Their eyes are glowing. Ooh, freaky sheep. But it's pretty cool. When they all run at once, it's like, sounds like a stampede. Guess it kind of is. Bye sheep. Alright, we made it back to the van. I have a ghost friend now. Now we're gonna drive back to Christchurch. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive. Yeah. And we're gonna meet up another day to film the interview for the second part of the film that Ryan's making. So. And welcome to part 2.
That's right. You've long Hello. Give us a Nick fact.
Yeah, Nick fact. For any of you guys who like Nick facts, leave in the comments below some questions to ask him, because I know a lot about him and I forget. I don't know what you will find interesting. What do you want to? I mean, that makes it sound bad. I find a lot interesting about him. Anyway, okay, so right here to film part 2. I have to be interviewed.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really weird when. I don't know if anyone else, if you do videos, but I feel very comfortable talking to a camera when I'm holding it, but when someone else is holding it, I'm like, awkward. What do I do? He has a lot of gear. He's gonna set it up.
I do, but
it's more behind the scenes. Okay, 1 camera, 2 cameras, and we have a light.
So what series are you shooting me?
it's called Why We Travel. The whole idea behind the series is like talking to people who enjoy traveling and find out how travel has kind of impacted them.
We just finished filming. It feels very professional. I think I was pretty awkward, but you'll have to watch Ryan's video to see for yourself. So his channel name is called The Path Less Traveled. Do you want to talk about where you got that inspiration from and why you call yourself that?
So The Path Less Traveled is kind of the way that I want to live my life. So first of all, I want to take people to places that no one else has been, or very few people have been in a traveling sense, and also to destinations that people often go to, but show them new places in those destinations. So on the travel side of things, it's quite literally taking the path less traveled. But on a higher level, it's kind of about doing things that other people aren't willing to do, so that you can live optimally, so that you can be the best version of you. Trying to grow the channel into more of a holistic, all-encompassing thing of, you know, pursuing your own dreams and taking your own path, but travel is a huge part of that for me too.
Sweet, that's awesome. That's something that I feel really into as well. Trying to be the best version of you as possible. To be your most authentic self. That's one reason why I started doing YouTube, and also when I started doing chalkboard art, I was like, oh, I just want to do what I like to do. So yeah, I think when you see other people being the best versions of themselves, it's like intoxicating, and you're like, oh yeah, I want to be like that too. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed this behind the scenes video of the shoot with Ryan from The Path Less Traveled. Be sure to watch his video and subscribe to his channel for more awesome adventures.
Thank you guys for having me. Hopefully you like this video that I put together for Mari.
And subscribe to this channel if you haven't.
Bye.
Bye.